guys, it's like 2, no I lie, it's 12 a.m. I know say the work bus left me. I have to wait till 1 o'clock now. Forget a bus for go me guys. Oh my god. So I must go and rock it till 1 o'clock. Just don't eat some Black Forest cake. So yeah. Can't believe I miss some bus stop, but so I go. Can't believe I'm just a vlog for y'all as well. Well, look there. Oh, I'm gonna come out here. Someone just there. I go and kick to Gerald. Gerald. Yeah, man.
Hi, people.
Yeah, that's my little friend Gerald. So, catch you guys in our YouTube, I guess. So, Gerald, what was your day?
Stressing.
Stressing for you?
Yes. How about you?
Man, I was stressing so bad. My day always stressing. From my food, me alright. Yo, you must have said Petagaye foodie. But, so go. Look, I'm look tired and stressed out. Well, yeah. What a rainy day though. I look, they come out yet. What a racket. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip.
Somebody talk to me about it and say, what? I just take that. I never walk so fast.
I'm going from in a pampas. Look, yell him up. For the first.
Gang, nigga, gang.
For the first, me yell
Old
him
Black
over.
300, what's up, nigga? You know, we out here gang shit.
Yeah, we get left.
Why they get me shot?
Yeah, man, I'm a little general this where I grew up from a day in a pampas.
I'm not that little. I'm just like 2 years younger than you.
Me a big one for you, look.
What's your?
Me a big old man for you. Who give him
Is this a vlog?
Yeah, do it for the vlog, you know?
I ain't do nothing for the vlog, nigga.
We just step out of the gun range.
Why?
Because
So,
vlogs are cool. Especially like Petagaye's vlogs. Like shorts, yeah.
oh God, man, that's it. Yeah, so I like about my vlog, don't you?
You know, they're different. You know.
Oh, you watch a manga challenge?
Mango? Yeah, I watched that. That was funny, you know. Jamaicans and shit, you know.
What's that? So if it's Jamaican and shit, what are you?
I'm Jamaicanese, you know. Mixed with everything.
Ladies, y'all hear that? Hope you guys can see because it's kind of dark.
It's dark.
Yeah.
Dark. Yeah,
I wanna
bark.
go home.
I can bark really good.
Bite me them ears.
Like,
Really?
legit, bro.
Little puppy. Chihuahua.
That's a little puppy.
So it bark like a dog.
Nah, I ain't no dog. I need to go home.
We need to go home.
This is my home.
You go back
for
away.
real. I spend more time here than at my yard.
Yeah.
Exactly. See my door here. My living room. Go straight down.
So if you say it's a
See which one
yard.
I keep my money.
Everything's a blur. Everything's like a blur.
See my couch there, but right now the roof a leak, so the water drop on top of it.
Gotcha. So if I say yard, where are you going right now?
But that one.
Yeah, I know this shit gonna be edited, you know. Cause some things I'm gonna say they gonna be dirty. Cause
Rain
it's gang
falling.
shit out here.
Rain falling.
Oh look.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, a madman. You hear that? Mopuni can't see me. You know
No,
that?
it's a madman, them have the most fun.
You think madman have fun?
Them have the most fun. Trust me, sometimes I wish me did.
The dog
Not
gonna-
really mad,
The
but
dog
just
gonna go
like-
piss on it. Yo,
Yeah.
I look so black. So black.
You're just
Look,
so dark.
you're gonna fall down. Stop.
Okay, you guys, I'll catch you in the next clip because I will just stand up here chatting foolishness until the 1 o'clock bus come. So,
Gang.
gang.
I think I would
It'll take more than 3 months for the cat to go
and I thought the cat had like a disease, like some sickle cell kind of cat thing. Because it was really frail.
Let's see that we just up on the bus and the time is 1:34 a.m. I may go home. I see look over there, so Jenna. And Jerry Larry so. So me, I got all one doors off over there, so while the bus go and load up the people them. Tell them.
Mr. Shaw.
And then when we reach home, I forgot to edit this for y'all. You have to close the window there now.
Make it still, that give me a breeze.
Excuse you?
I mean, I don't want to get wet up, not you.
Okay. And then we'll go home. I have to edit this. I know that this vlog is very short. I'm so sorry. People look at me like me crazy. So yeah, chat to you guys when I'm home. Guys, I reached home like 2:30 yesterday. This morning, I'm definitely wake up. I'm so tired. So I'm go on the road for deal with something, you know. So I'm still look tired, and it's like after 10 in the morning. I get enough sleep now. I'm gonna go back because I got a shop now. I don't get what I get, I go home. Jump back in my bed, go back to sleep. Because my work around 2:30. Yeah, 2:30 today. So yeah. Then I reach back home. Tell you guys that you order, okay? No feel sorry for me. Reach on 2:30. And then 3 in the morning AM, and then today now I have to go work. Reach work by 2:30. Come on, tell. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video, alright? You guys might want to go home and guess who must see.
All gone people, all gone vlog world. Sorry, some now do no vlog still. It's about
Him soon post, hopefully.
hopefully.
So why you not post for them? Work? Girls?
No things.
Nothing.
Girls really.
Well, if you find the family or something. Where you going so far? Anyway, you know, sir, at 2:30 when you reach on this morning, I'm going to work by 2:30 later.
2:30 in the afternoon?
2:30 this morning, I'm reach home.
Yeah, I have work 2:30 in the afternoon.
Yes.
So come back home 2:30 again.
I left work 11.
So you reach home too. Okay.
Guys, I'm there. I'll be on taxi. So go across the road. I'm there with Gerald. It's the next day. So there I'll be on taxi. No. Yeah. So we'll get one taxi now, so I'm going there. They can't wait to. Okay.
Somebody will come over for you.
Alright. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Right now, like, I'm at my lunch. I'm tired, hungry. As for you, Jal, I want to go home, go sleep. I just come for tuning pound, isn't it? So, yeah. You guys, I'm having fried chicken and rice and peas. Food from Chicken and Things. Once I'm coming for realize I'm here, Mother's Patty. Mother's Patty just dry. One like juicy, Mother's tasty. Any more today? Sugar and spice. Sugar and spice? Yeah, sugar and spice. Sugar and spice? Yeah, sugar and spice. Which one you rather? Juicy, Mother's, tasties, and sugar and spice. Comment below. I'm going to continue my lunch, so I'll talk to you later.